Now we learn about another way to draw our line arc. To do it, just click here arc, and you'll see start, center and end arc. Start, center and end arc. I'll click here. Now it's telling us specify center start point of arc. So from where we'll start drawing our arc, I'll consider this point as our first point, then center point of the arc. So where will be the center point of our arc? Okay, at how much distance away you want to take your arc center point. Other way, if I take a line from that center point and see if this is the center, if this point is center point of our arc, and we want to create a arc from here, then how we'll use that? We'll go here, then start, center and end point of arc. Then this is our first point. This is our center of our arc, and this one will be here. This one will be our, or otherwise just here. So this one will be a way to draw our arc. And if you simply move it here in that side, just see, now it's okay. In this way you are able to draw your arc. And if you move that center here, if you draw your that point, your all situation will change like that. Let's see here in that way. Just if you click here, your that center will move like that. This is another way to draw your arc. And another thing, if we again go here, start, center, end, and if we click here, or if we click here, then if this is our center point, and if we go here, just see, this is our arc. So always remember one thing: if you start from that side, actually your arc will rotate in this way, okay? Because first in the time of defining our unit, we have selected an option that our degree will be anti-clockwise. So to do it again from here, I'll close that, and if I consider that option again, arc, then I'll go for first point, and this is for our specify end point. And if I go here, just see, this is the actual movement for our arc. And if I take a line by stopping ortho mode, and from here, this is our on line, and here are another line, and this is our arc. Actually what we need, we can do using this option.